Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video is gonna be like a fall bathroom refresh, very simple, just like more like a bedding refresh, you guys. So let's jump right into it. First thing I did was finally found some really good blackout curtains, which are the same ones that I have downstairs in my home. And because I was in a do not lift or do not do anything, my mama came through and she was helping me, just set up the new curtains and stuff like that. And it's just the minimal things. That's why I haven't created like a lot of content, because I have a high risk pregnancy and I had to take things slow. But this video was pre-recorded. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that Baby K is already here. She came early, and we will be talking all about her pretty soon and sharing her nursery, so stay tuned for those videos. This beautiful gorgeous bedding is from JCPenney. I will be linking everything down below, and of course I always love to steam my bedding so it could look nicer. That's just optional, and I honestly do that the first time I set up my bed for the season, and after that I honestly give up on it. But anyways, here I put these pillow covers that I got on Amazon. They're like the teddy bear type of fabric, and they come in multiple different colors. I picked the white ones because I just wanted that crisp look, the neutral vibes. But yeah, they're really pretty and super affordable. My projects for next year is definitely to work in my bathroom. I want to make some changes. I want to create an accent wall, get some new furniture in here as well, and just change things up a bit. So for the fall, I didn't want to add too much decor and anything because we are expecting baby K to arrive, and honestly we're going to be having a lot of stuff in the way, like the little bassinet, the little car with stuff, and I just didn't want to overcrowd it with decor. So we're doing simple things around the bathroom for fall. Here you see me adding these pillows that I had from last year, I believe, and we're gonna just add them here to the end of the bed. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Not sure when was the last time that I shared my bathroom, but if you haven't seen this bench, it is from CB2 and I love it. It comes in black as well, and I will also be linking that below. I think it's a perfect size for my small bedroom, since I really wanted two like little accent chairs, but my bedroom is too narrow and too small. But this bench really worked out if you have a small bedroom like mine. Let's dance our problems away in the night. And you guys, this is how the bedroom looks now, with a little touch of new bedding, new window treatment. It just really helped refresh the space. The decor is very minimal because we're going to be sharing this room with baby K. So we're gonna have a bassinet, like a little, car with all her diapers and stuff, like a, So I didn't really want to overcrowd it with decor because we're gonna be busy for the next few months co-sleeping with the baby. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this little small refresh inspires you to refresh your bedding this fall season.